Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm diving into the life of one of the Philippines' most beloved former stars, Andy Eigenman. From her unforgettable roles on TV to her decision to step away from the spotlight and embrace a quieter life in Siargao. Andy's journey is truly inspiring. If you've ever wondered what it's like to grow up in a famous family, make a name for yourself in the entertainment industry, and then completely shift gears for family and nature, this vlog is for you. Let's take a closer look at Andy's path and how she's balancing motherhood, love, and more peaceful life by the sea. So sit back, relax, and enjoy my vlog. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Andrea Nicole Gak Andy Eigenman, born June 25, 1990 in Marikina, Manila, is a Filipino former actress, model, and social media influencer known for her roles in television and film, and for her eventual transition to a more private life. Andrea Nicole Gak Eigenman was born into a family with a rich history in Philippine entertainment industry. She is the daughter of the renowned actors Mark Hill and Jacqueline Jose, both of whom were celebrated figures in Filipino cinema. Si Andy ay half-sister din ng mga kapwa-aktor na sina Sid Lucero, Gabby Eigenman at Max Eigenman. Sa side ng kanyang ina, siya ay pamangkin ng aktres na si Veronica Jones. Andy's heritage is diverse. She has German-American ancestry from her mother and Swiss and Spanish roots from her father. Nagtapos si Andy sa Miriam College sa Katipunan, Quezon City. Nagtapos ng elementarya noong 2004 at high school noong 2008. Pagkatapos ng high school, nagtapos siya ng Bachelor of Arts degree majoring in Fashion Design and Merchandising sa De La Salle College of St. Benilde. Andy's career in entertainment began in 2005 when she appeared in an episode of the popular television series Once Upon a Time. Hindi nagtagal ay naging pamilyar na mukha siya sa telebisyong Pilipino na gumanap sa mga serye tulad ng Prinsesa ng Banyera noong 2005, kung saan ginampanan niya si Sandy. Her big break came in 2008 when she participated in Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition Plus, entering the house as the second contestant but getting evicted after 53 days. In 2010, Andy starred in the lead role of the fantasy drama Agua Bendita, portraying twin sisters Agua and Bendita. She continued to build her acting career with notable appearances in films like Mama Razi and Shake, Rattle and Roll 12. Andy also earned praise for her performance in the family drama series Minsan Lang Kita Iibigin in 2011, where she played Gabriel Gabi Marcelo alongside Maha Salvador and Coco Martin. Andy's acting career continued to flourish with roles in Kahit Puso'y Masugatan in 2012, Pretty There in 2012, and A Secret Affair in 2012, marking her association with Viva Films. Naging bahagi din siya ng hit fantasy series na Galima Anak ni Zuma in 2013 at Jezebel in 2014 bago huminto sa show business. In 2015, Andy made a return to television in Maalaala Mo Kaya, marking her first leading role in a drama series since becoming a mother. However, in October 2017, Andy made headlines by announcing her decision to step away from the showbiz lifestyle, though she clarified she would still pursue acting on occasion. Her focus shifted towards her personal life. Her final film appearance came in The Maid in London in 2018, after which she quietly exited the limelight. Ang personal na buhay ni Andy ay naging paksa ng pampublikong interes, partikular ang kanyang mga relasyon at ang kanyang tungkulin bilang isang ina. Noong November 23, 2011, ipinanganak niya ang kanyang unang anak, si Andriana Gabriel Ellie Eigenman, mula sa kanyang relasyon sa aktor na si Jake Ejercito. Bagamat naghiwalay ang mag-asawa noong 2014, hayagang binanggit ni Andy ang pagkakasangkot ni Ejercito sa buhay ni Ellie, na sinasabing mahal niya ang kanyang anak bilang sarili niya. In 2018, Andy entered into a relationship with professional surfer Felmar Alipayo. The couple welcomed their first child together, Kiliana Alohi or Lilo Eigenman Alipayo, on July 23, 2019. Inanunsyo ni Andy na buntis siyang muli noong August 2020 at noong December ng taong yon, ibinunyag ng mag-asawa na umaasa sila sa isang lalaki. They also announced their engagement on social media. On January 17, 2021, Andy gave birth to their son, Koa, completing their growing family. As of now, Andy and her family reside in Siargao, where they enjoyed a more peaceful and private life away from the limelight. While Andy Eigenman is no longer actively involved in the entertainment industry, she continues to be a beloved figure due to her past work and her authenticity in sharing her life as a mother and partner. Her social media presence provides a glimpse into her life in Siargao, where she embraces a more laid-back lifestyle and her role as a mother of 3. Thank you very much for watching. And according to a famous quote, never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness, and bad days give you experience. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photocredits2, movie.com, and inspirational quote credits to fearlessmotivation.com.